Hello students, today we are going to start our first one act play, and that is a marriage proposal, which is written by Anton Chekhov. So this is the first part of this first one act play. So in this part we are going to learn summary and first paragraph of that summary. Now listen carefully. Lomo. Lomo, it is a young person, he is a young person. Skubukos, Skubuko, a little older person or older man. Neighbors, and both these people, Lomo and Skubukos, were living near each other. They were neighbors. Entered the reception room. Reception room, it means welcome room. In Skubuko's house. So, Lomo, this young person, entered into the reception room or welcome room of his neighbor Skubuko's. Skubuko gladly it means happily. Gladly received welcomed received Lomo in his house and asked him to sit. So when Skuboko saw that Lomo is coming in his house, so that time Skubokos welcomed him very happily. Since Lomo was gorgeously it means beautifully or attractively. Gorgeously dressed in evening cloth. So that time Lumo had worn evening cloth, and those clothes were looking very beautiful, attractive on his body. Skuboko asked him if he was on his way to some engagement. So after watching his dressed up, Skuboko told Lomo that you are going to attend any engagement. Lumo replied that he had no special engagement to attend to, but that he came only to see him and to make a request to him. So when Skubuko asked Lumo that you are going to attend any engagement, so that day Lumo said that I am not going anywhere or any special engagement. I just came here to meet you, to request you, to ask you something. Skubuko thought that probably it means maybe. Lumo had come to ask for a loan, and when Lumo said to Skubuko that I came to request you, that time Skubukos had some kind of thought that this person came to ask me some loan, some money on rent. He decided not to lend any money to Lumo if he really made any such request. Now length, it means grand temporary use of money. That time Skubuko made his decision, firm decision, that he is not going to give money Lumo if that person asks money to him. Lumo indicated that the nature of his request was such that he was feeling a kind and nervousness before talking about it. So that time Lumo, Lomo was looking very nervous and he was not able to speak. He didn't know how to speak about that subject, whatever he was going to request to Skubko. Skubko told Lomo to say in plain language what he had to say. So after watching his restlessness, Skubko said Lomo that whatever you want to ask, you want to request, said that in a plain language, in a simple word. Lomo now said that he wanted to marry Natalia Stepanova, Skubko's daughter. So finally, Lomo said Skubko that I want to marry with your daughter Natalia Stepanova. Skubko was very glad to hear of this happy proposal. And when Skubko heard about this proposal, so Skubko was very happy and happily he accepted that proposal of marriage proposal of Lumo for his daughter. So in this way, this first part ends here. So we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.